Hey guys, welcome to my video. My name is Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the puddle light on a Ford mirror. So if you have a Ford style mirror like this, there's a little small circular puddle light underneath it. If it has burnt out, I'll show you how to replace it in this video. I'll show you what it looks like. This happens to be a 2012 Ford Expedition, so I know it'll fit this truck and probably a bunch of pickup trucks and a whole bunch of Ford trucks and excursions with this style mirror on it. So I'll show you what to look for. But before I begin, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up on the channel and subscribe or leave a comment. If you have any questions about how I fix this or for your application, leave a comment. I'll totally get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss anything. So here's what the mirror looks like on my Expedition. And I bought this Ford OE replacement puddle light on the internet. And this is what it looks like right here. And there is like a tab on the bottom right here, and that is the tab we need to kind of pry against to pop the light out. There are a couple of electrical connections right there, kind of like prongs that stick out. So there are two wires up inside that mirror, and we're just going to disconnect them, reconnect them to here. And you know, there is a bulb inside. This lens is glued to the housing. I've seen videos where guys have kind of taken like a small like little whistle wheel and broken the seal on these, replaced the bulb and re-glued them. But it looks like a big pain to do, and I only paid like 22 bucks for this one little puddle light, and it's an OE part, so it's an original Ford part. Now it's shipped to my house. I'll put a link in the description of the video so you can go check out pricing as well. So I'm going to show you how to take this out. It's not too hard. So all you need to perform this repair is a small screwdriver like this one. It's a pretty small flathead, and there's like a little indentation right here where that tab is. So basically you're going to put the screwdriver up and in and pry it down, and it comes out that easy. And you can see the two wires right here. There's a wire here and a wire on the other side. So we're going to remove these two and reconnect it to the new puddle light. So you can kind of use your screwdriver to help pull it off. And you see, should come free pretty easily. All right, there's that one. So I'm going to take the new one, I'm going to plug it in. So just connect one connector and the other one. And if for some reason you put this back together and the puddle light doesn't light up, try to switch the wiring around. You may have gotten it backwards. So all you really need to do is kind of push this little puddle light back up into place. There, you have to line up the little notch, and it goes in that easy. So let's open the door, and we'll see if this works. Okay, so now I'm going to activate one of the doors, and we'll see if the puddle light activates. Yep. So it came right on. It seems to work well, and it was like literally a 2-second repair. So now your factory OE puddle light function great again, and you can see at night if you open the door up. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and like I said, if you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll reply right back to you. Thanks for watching.